Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction. So, gusto ko mga specific lang. Oo. So, it's like prediction for the day. Parang ganyan. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Pasensya na po, ako ay may sipon. Oo. So, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me. Ganun rin po kung may mga tanong po sa ating mga charms. Okay, items. So meron tayong protection from evil eye. Ring. Adjustable yung ring natin. Okay, ring. So, dalawang bracelet. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. Okay, so pinapakita ko lang. So, tanong na lang po sa PM. Okay, so ito naman yung ating evil eye necklace. Protection. Okay po. So, yan po Ganda yan. In person. So, lahat po yan ay unisex. Okay? And syempre, ito hindi. Kita nyo naman. Pero kung gusto nyo, go. O, diba? So, yung ating new wish, na item, yung ating 2-in-1, yung meron pong citrine. So, pinalagyan na natin ng citrine para hindi lang love ang iyong makukuha, kundi money rin. So, citrine po kasi is humahatak, ng money, humahatak ng pera. So, para siyang magnet. Okay? Nagmamagnet siya ng pera, ng money. So, more sales, more customers. Okay? So, may chance rin na pwedeng magkaroon ka ng new opportunities pagdating sa pamimera. Mga ganyan po, So, kung ikaw, gusto mong makakuha ng new love, okay, ang gagawin nito, pag-focusin ka nito muna sa pamimera mo. Magpo-provide ng money sa'yo. Para dun ka ma-focus, hindi sa love. Okay? Ganun po, ang tactics nito. Nitong, naaral ko na rin Kasi puro ganun yung, tawag dyan, feedback ng mga may-ari nitong 2-in-1. Puro pera ang pinoprovide sa una. Para dun siguro, ma-focus muna. Kasi mahirap kasi kung ang ating gugustuhin is love. Okay? Hindi pwede yung parang mamanipulahin natin yung energy ng love. Oo, mahirap po yun. So, sabihin natin, ginugusto ko si ganto. Bababa ang energy mo. Bababa kasi magiging needy siya. So, ang gagawin nito, magpo-provide to ng pera sa'yo. Okay? Para doon ka ma-focus. Doon ka ma-focus. Okay po? Magbibigay ng mga opportunities pagdating sa pamamera mo, sa business, sa career mo. Yan. Okay? Para mawala yung attention mo or focus mo doon sa love. Sa panandalian muna. Okay? So, yun po Kung gusto mo nito at ikaw ay lalaki, ilagay mo sa red pouch. Okay? So, yun po. So, si granter, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. And, tagapagbigay ng weekly surprises. Okay? So, kung meron pang ibang tanong pagdating dito kay granter, si granter po is made to order po kasi ito po ay customize. Opo, pinapa-customize ko to. Sarili ko po kasing design to nandito. Okay? Anyway, so, next, yung ating pang-cord cut. Pang-cut, sa mga nagbibigay ng MALAS sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay meron na sa tingin mo inaalat ka palagi, yes, pwede sa'yo to. Tatanggalin natin yon, And, ano pa ba? Yung ating pang-cleanse. Yung pang-cleanse kit, cleanse kit natin is with white sage and selenite. So, yung selenite natin is nag-a-act siya as charger ng ating mga charms and crystals. So, lifetime use, yung selenite. Okay? Sasamahan lang natin ng white sage for cleansing. Okay? Pagtataboy ng hindi magandang energy surrounding. Okay? So, let's see. Let's start the reading. Okay. So, kung meron pa pong ibang tanong, message na lang po, Okay, madali lang naman mag-message sa PM. Wag po sa comment section. Pag sa comment section kayo nagtingin, nag-comment, hindi kayo marireplyan. Pwede kayo ma-replyan, scammers ang magre-reply sa inyo. So, avoid ninyo na magtanong, okay, sa comment section. Okay. Pero kung iba naman na i-comment nyo, pwede naman. Okay. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Tayo ay mag-predict. Messages, energy checks. Tingnan natin. Ace of Wands. What's with that? Ace of Wands. Travel. Travel. Pwedeng hindi ngayon to. Pero yeah, I'm seeing travel via airplane. Via airplane. Okay? This is visa for some of you. So may tendency or may chance yung iba sa inyo na makapag-travel via plane. Okay? Overseas. Parang ganyan. So, kung ipipredict natin to sa araw na to ngayon, sa mismong date na nakalagay, I'm hearing somebody pwedeng magbigay ng, and this is online. I'm hearing online. This is somebody na pwedeng malayo sa'yo. Okay? May Ace of Wands dito. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. This is specific. Okay. One more. What's with that Ace of Wands? Some of you, hindi tayo aware na pwedeng there's this somebody na pwedeng thinking of you sexually. Okay. The Eight of Wands universe. The Eight of Pentacles universe. Okay. Meron ditong nag-apply. Nag-apply talaga no? Oo. Tama ba? Nag-apply ng, ang tawag dito? Sick leave. Sick leave. Medyo may kaunti ang drama. May kaunti ang problem. I don't know kung mag-grant yung sick leave. I don't know kung magiging maganda ba yung po-provide mo or what. Sick leave or vacation leave. Okay? Specific po yun, ha? Merong hindi makakapasok sa work. Yeah, merong hindi makakapasok sa work. I'm hearing flood. Yeah, flood. Okay. May masisiraan, ha, sa kalsada. Be careful. Okay, yeah, the King of Pentacles universe. I don't know, maybe your boss. No? So, King of Pentacles in the reversed. The Lovers. What's with this? I'm hearing an offer coming from a boss. Coming from a boss. What's with this King of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, there's an offer. Be careful. Some of your boss is into you. Could be a business owner nga, no? May chance na they're into you. Be careful because this person is already committed. Yeah, they're sneaky. Be careful. Be careful. Ayaw natin maging side dish. Okay? Kung ano man ang gender mo, ayaw natin maging side dish. Dapat main course, main dish. Diba? So, what else? What else for air signs? Okay, the Knight of Wands. What's with that Knight of Wands? The Six of Swords universe. The Ace of Cups. The Page of Pentacles universe. Somebody will give you hints. Could be a past person. Iba sa inyo, may makakaligtaan or may maiiwan at babalikan. I don't know kung ano yun. Pwedeng gamit mo. Okay? Pwedeng may gamit ka. Tapos maalala mo lang pag wala ka na doon or nasa biyahe ka na. Mga ganyang bagay. King of Swords. I'm hearing susi. Okay, I don't know. Baka may ma-misplace. Some of you. Yeah, we have here the devil. Some of you, ina-advise ka na kung sakali man nga na merong magparamdam na person from the past, kailangan mo na maging guarded ka. Kailangan utak ang pagaganahin ngayong araw. Okay? Sa date na nakalagay sa video. So, next. Okay, fire signs. Hi, fire signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what's for you. What is for our fire signs? Okay. Maulan ba sa inyo? Keep safe. Keep dry. O, diba? So, fire signs. Okay, the Four of Wands. Something regarding your workplace or sa bahay mo, anong meron? Could be a relationship. The Moon in reverse. Ang gloomy, oo, ang sad ng tawag dyan, ng paligid. Oo. What's with this Moon in reverse? May nakikita ako dito, nakatulala lang. Nakatulala lang. Walang masyadong ganap. Yung iba sa inyo, ikaw itong papapunta ng friend mo dyan sa bahay or I don't know. Kasi andun yung energy na parang, nakakatamad. Magpapunta kaya ako ng friend ko dito sa bahay. Something like that. Okay? What else? May nakakamiss. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Pwedeng ikaw may namimiss ka. Could be a Pisces. What else? The Emperor in reversed. What's with that Emperor in reversed? The Ten of Cups in reversed. What's with this? Ay, naku. Ano tong Emperor na naka-reversed? Okay, the Devil in reversed. May gagawa ng surprise, I think, some of you. There's a surprise coming in sa ngayong araw. Okay, yeah, the Magician. The Nine of Cups. So, I think there's this something na pwedeng mag-grant ngayong araw. Okay? I don't know kung ano. Some of you, minamanifest mo to. Pwedeng ka, may granter ka. Okay? Pwede ngayon siya mamamanifest or mag-grant. Okay? So, some of you, this is talking about a legalization, no? Or pwedeng usaping family. Kung ano man. May mag-grant. Something like that. So, what else? High Priestess in reversed. The Knight of Cups. Somebody will unblock. Okay? May mag-unblock. Pwedeng ikaw unblock ka. Yeah, there's communication coming in. The Sun. This is like a surprise nga, no? So, kung ano man, may mga mafi-fix ngayong araw, may mga mapapag-usapan ngayong araw. Some of you, if you're waiting for a message, pwede ngayong araw dumating. Sa ano po ha? Sa date na nakalagay. Sa date na nakalagay. Kaya po ito naka-air na ngayon. Kasi inuunahan na natin. Okay? Inuunahan natin. Kaya pong sinasabi ko ngayon. Okay? So, we're manifesting. So, yeah. Anyway, so this is specific, I think. Some of you, ikaw itong kung meron mang hinihintay na mensahe, pwedeng makuha mo sa mismong araw na nasa date po, no? Ng ating video. Or pwede ngayon. Mismo. Okay, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is for our water signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pasensya na po ha. Ako ay sinisipon. So, masakit pa ang likod ko. O, diba? Sign of aging. Anyway, water signs. Okay. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. What's with that? The Page of Swords in reversed. I'm hearing concern. Maybe universe is concerned pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Be careful. Mayroon kang mga stalkers. And pwedeng nagbabato sila ng hindi magandang energy sa'yo. They're envious. Okay? Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. They're saying negative energies. They're throwing negative energies pagdating sa'yo. Why? We have here the Wheel of Fortune. Some of you, pwede ngayong araw, makakakuha ka ng magandang balita or something, yeah, in general, maganda. Or okay. Ngayong araw. Sa date na nakalagay. Okay? Ano tong Page of Swords na naka-reverse? Judgment in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo, parang ngayon mo na mabibili yung gusto mong bilhin. Yeah. Parang ngayon mo na mabibili yung gusto mong bilhin. This is material po, ha? Okay? So, pwede ngayong araw mo mabili. Ngayong date, kung anong date na nakalagay. What else? Water signs. Ten of Wands. What's with that? The Sun. I'm hearing overheat. Kahit maulan. I'm hearing overheat. I don't know why. Sa sasakyan. Okay? Flat tire, maybe. I'm hearing overload. Overload. Yung mga nakasaksak sa bahay, please, tingnan nyo. Okay? Lalo na kung kayo itong lalabas, aalis. Yeah. Mas maganda, secure muna ang inyong mga tahanan. I'm hearing a safe childbirth. Normal delivery. Safe delivery. Okay? That's nice. Parang meron na kasing ngayon like, nagle-labor. Parang, pwede ngayon mag-labor ka. Or bukas. Or nandyan sa date. Okay? That's not for all. That's not for all. Paano po ako magle-labor? Lalaki po ako. That is not for all. Sabi ko nga. No? Okay? Safe delivery. Yeah, the star. Okay? Normal. What else for water signs? Again, the Three of Wands. Parang may mapapending po ngayon na gawain. Or parang mayroong hindi matutuloy. May marireschedule. What's with this 3 of Wands? The 6 of Swords. Yung hinihintay mo na ma-approve, pwedeng ma-approve na. Okay? You have here the Sun. Iba sa inyo, merong gumagaya sa'yo. I don't know kung ano yun. Or pwedeng naiinggit, kaya ganun. Okay? Some of you, there's this travel. Makuha mo na yung visa. Visa to travel, I guess. May opportunity yung iba sa inyo na maka-travel nga abroad. Okay? The 8 of Swords. You're waiting for this. May chance po na dumating na to, ha? See? The Justice. Anyway, so there. Nice. Sana nga, sa mismong date ng ating video. Okay, so Earth signs, hi. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs, okay. So what is for you? What is for our Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Earth signs. Okay. The King of Swords. Who is this? King of Swords. The 5 of Swords. Kung sino man tong air sign na to, iniisip ka ng iniisip. Some of them, they're just throwing you mixed signals. Okay? Anong meron? Okay. Some of them, they're just afraid na totally hindi mo na siya pansinin or what. Okay? Yeah. The 4 of Cups. Meron ditong person na pwedeng hindi ka kinakausap, pwedeng magbibigay ng mixed signals ngayong araw. Bakit? Because they are afraid na totally mawala ka. Ayaw nila na totally makakalayo ka sa energy niya. Okay? They're stressed, they're stressing out, and yeah, gusto nila na ma-stress ka rin. Parang ganun. Sino man yan. I'm hearing legalizations. Meron ng mapapatawan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yon. Okay? May ibababa ng result. So, what else for Earth signs? The Knight of Wands in reversed. The 5 of Wands in reverse. I'm hearing SEX with a fire sign. Okay? The 6 of Pentacles in reverse. I'm hearing ang tawag dyan, a makeup sex this day, or dyan nga sa date na nasa video. I'm hearing a makeup sex. Okay. What else for our Earth signs? Judgment in reversed. The 6 of Cups. Somebody from your past. Unti-unti na parang nakaka-let go, or pwedeng ikaw yon. Paano malalaman? Paano malalaman na totally nakaka-let go na itong past mo? The Ace of Swords. Some of them may chance na i-block ka na. Okay? May chance na i-block ka na. Or pwedeng some of you may malalaman ka sa kanila na meron na silang kakonect. Okay? The Ace of Swords, Universe. Yeah. Actually, ginagawa nila yon dahil kailangan na. They're like helping themselves para makagaod, para makausad. Okay? Pero hindi ka pa rin nawawala. I'm hearing rejection today. I'm hearing somebody will get rejected. Yeah. Merong hindi mapapahiram. Mga ganyan, or hindi ka magpapahiram. Okay? Okay. Travel. So some of you, there's this energy of travel. Okay? Somebody's avoiding you, or maybe you have to avoid something or somebody ngayong araw, or sa date na nakalagay dyan sa video. Yeah. So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.